nature park.
We're trying to see the animals and walk in the park.
Hi, we're in the free kangaroo area.
Hi guys.
So now we're here at cockatoo section.
Snake section.
Saw the parrots, went to see the snakes, and now we came back to get our membership card. And we're really exhausted. We're not supposed to be here because we're adults, and this is kids section, but we're here. We're just sitting down and just
Thinking
of where
when
to
we have
go.
kids, we're going to bring them here. So we're adults, we're just looking around just to make sure that this place is safe for our kids later in the future.
Yes.
Hey guys, you see your faces.
So by this is the end of our day's trip in nature park. So now we're heading back. Oh,